Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we show you how to make fun, easy school supplies for your American Girl dolls. Transform basic crafting materials into adorable doll-sized staplers, scissors, glue sticks, and folders. Remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new DIY. Our dolls are ready for school, so let's get making! For the stapler, we are using regular popsicle sticks. Cut 4 rectangles that are 3.5 centimeters long and 2 pieces with the curved tip that are 4 centimeters long. Organize your pieces as seen on screen. Start by gluing 2 rectangles and a curved piece together for the top of the stapler. Join the other pair of rectangular sticks for the base. Put a drop of glue at one end, then attach the top piece, ensuring it is positioned at an angle. Cover the end of the stapler with a square clipping of popsicle stick, then add the remaining curved piece to the top. Cut or punch circles of paperboard and affix them over the join on both sides to give this section more strength. Trim your discs to match the angle of your stapler. To mimic metal, we painted the top rectangular sticks silver. Then took a bright teal colour to paint the rest of the stapler for a fun modern aesthetic. Here we made a second stapler and painted it a complementary lavender. When the paint has dried, glue a tiny piece of paperboard painted silver to the base for the crimp. To make doll scissors, we googled a template, scaled it to size, then printed out 4 images. Cut around the blade and handle section, then cut out the remaining handle. Glue all your pieces to cardstock to make them more durable, then fussy cut all the pieces again. Stack and glue 2 blade pieces together, then remove the paper from inside the handle to get the finger hole. Repeat this step for another blade piece, then paint them both silver. Take the remaining 4 handle pieces and paint them the colour of your choice. This time we went with a soft mint green. Next, attach a handle to the front and back of each blade piece. Apply a thick layer of paint around the sides of the handle and inside the finger hole. For that shiny plastic finish, give the handles a couple of coats of clear nail polish. Place a template over your scissors to make the pivot hole. We used a brad punch for this step. Then overlay the blades, lining up the holes and join them together with a brad. Now your doll scissors can open and close, just like real ones. To make a quick glue stick, we are using a jumbo paper straw. Start by cutting a 2.5 centimeter length. Then seal the bottom and top using the hot glue method, just like we did in our DIY Easy Adventure Accessories tutorial. Paint one end white and the other orange. To mimic the twist dial, cut a thin strip of corrugated cardstock and paint it orange. Adhere your strip around the base of the straw. Next, glue a shorter 1.5 centimeter strip of paper around the tube so its thickness matches with the corrugated cardstock at the base. Cut a 0.5 centimeter strip of paper for the cap. Wrap it around your offcut of straw, ensuring it is not too tight. Glue the ring to white poster board. When the adhesive has dried, trim it out and paint the cap orange. To make it look like Elmer's disappearing glue, we painted the top of the glue stick purple. Lastly, we printed out tiny labels and affixed one to the front and one to the back of the tube. Then made a few more since they're so easy and cute. For a quick folder, we took paper from this Oh Happy Day designer pack. Cut your paper down to size, then glue it to white poster board to add strength. Make a 2.5 centimeter fold along one long side. Open it back out to fold the paper in half vertically. Where the fold lines intersect, mark the make angle cuts as seen on screen. Apply double-sided tape to the short, straight edge of the tab sections, then fold up to make the pockets. We also made another folder in yellow and a third from the metallic specialty paper in the pack. Enjoy making these simple school supplies for your dolls. Thanks for watching and see you again soon for more miniature crafting fun!